We are pleased to show you the 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, compact spare tire, rear wheel drive, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.